That this is going to be my last video of my single 12-inch subwoofer. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. Huge update today with some big announcements as far as where I'm going with my build. Anybody the new watching that hasn't seen this, well, here's my build. Ridiculously ugly looking, a lot of 3M tape, but it's pretty loud for single 12. So by the end of this video, you're going to see all my exciting updates I have to come. And before that, I just want to say thank you all for watching. This is JacobViral. I'm not going to give you a build update as far as all the equipment, specs, everything in here, because all of that's already been posted. I'll be sure to put the links in the description if you want to see all those videos. This video today is to make the big announcement as well as give you all a build update where I am and what I'm going to be doing for this year. So stay tuned. All right, so first thing before that, just want to say that this is going to be my last video of my single 12-inch subwoofer. So I have a single Phi SP4 V2 plus 12 wired down to half ohm on a Crescendo 6,000 watt amp. And this is my last official video of this. So after this, no more videos on this sub build, because I'm going to be doing a bigger build that's newer, and I'm going to be going back to a wall build. So officially going to be going back to a 4th order wall build like I did before. No clue for what's going to happen with that, with what kind of subs I'm going to do. I know I'm going to keep it more budget range, because one of my main things was to stay within a budget because I had to cut back. So I'm going to stay with just currently with what I already have for an amp, and I'm literally going to do a huge build series. I don't know if it's going to be on my second channel or my main channel. Be sure to put those in the description as well, JacobViral too. But I'm going to be literally doing a huge step-by-step process of how I build my enclosure. Pretty much everything it takes to get a wall build done, the way I do it. So there's already a big step ahead. I've already done a lot of bracing. I got the roof in already. So all of these videos on my second channel, I've done so many tests with my port adjustment, the box tuning. And today you're also going to find out what my sub meters. So my official last time metering this sub. So we're going to be able to see what this sucker does just for a single 12. So let me go ahead and take this out. So much things have happened. Sorry if you guys and girls watching that don't like the look. This is just how I am. I'm an SPL person when it comes to trying to get as loud as I can, but I don't compete, just having for fun. So let's go ahead and shut this. Make sure it shuts hard, because it doesn't really shut well without that because of the suction. So back here, I actually just took my seats out because I literally haven't tested anything with the seats out, and since I'm going to be putting in a walled 4th order build again in here, we're going to see what happens with the meter results as well on that. All I can say is my second channel has previous meter results on this, and I've done literally 3 months of extensive testing videos on the second channel, JacobViral 2, for that. So we'll find out what this thing meters in a minute, and I'm exciting to show y'all a build series. I don't know if I'm going to be posting on my main channel or my secondary channel for all the build process specs. I'll probably do both because you guys all watch. I try to focus on bringing new different type of content too, so sorry about that truck. And ignore the wiring and ugly look. All I have is a Group 75 excess power D7500 and a Group 65 under the hood on the 6K. My voltage isn't the best. It drops to low 12s, but I'm happy with it. And like I said, once again, build reveal, I'm going to be doing a walled 4th order build like I had before with the 415s, but a lot smaller. I don't want to get into extreme amount of power, 2 alternators. I don't want to have a lot of lithium. I don't want to have all kinds of expenses in the subwoofer and amplifiers. I want to keep it simple and as budget as I can from what I already have. It's not going to be a budget build because I already have expensive equipment, but I want to kind of make it within my budget. Everybody has a different budget. So anyway, that's what we got here. And in the back with the front with the dash. Anybody new watching is like, what the heck is going on, Jacob? Crazy dash. So we'll find out what this sucker meters in a minute. I'm a little excited to see, but this is the official last 12-inch subwoofer build video for my build and my 2006 Ford Explorer. Like I said, once again, I appreciate everybody watching, being subscribers. JacobViral. My second channel has so many videos on what I've done in here. A couple of videos on the main channel, but most of it's been focused on the second channel for that. And I'll probably be doing a lot more main channel, you guys that watch on this channel, that JacobViral updates on that. So what I have here is I'm about to do my last meter result test. If you want to see it playing in demo, you're going to have to watch the other videos. So let's make sure this thing gets intact. It's pretty cold out today, so it doesn't like to stick as well. Sorry about that, but I have a 80 PRS Pioneer head unit zip tied. Sorry with the ugly look, like I mentioned, but hey, I'm a bass head. I enjoy bass. No matter how ugly it looks, I enjoy it. So let me get to my bass tones. I always do a test tone sweep to find out my peak. Since I took my seats out and I've never done that before, it could go up or down. Since you guys are watching up to this point, the highest SPL score I did get, it's on my second channel, was like a 155.6 on the glass. And I always like to burp on the glass because it's just, I feel like it's most impressive when you can do that. Of course I could do headrest, but I always just do glass because I don't have everything set up for that. And let me do a low volume burp first. So let me go ahead and get this going. Once again, announcement today, huge update. Going to be doing a 4th order wall build again and keep it as budget as I can within my range. So we'll find out how that goes. All right, let's hook up this, make sure it hooks up to my phone. So I have another phone device that's Bluetooth to an SSA meter. You got to have the app and the meter, so you can't just have one to find this. And now I'm going to do a sweep real quick to find what my peak is at low volume first. Low volume first. So it peaks at 48 hertz. My goal is to be below a 50 hertz peak in order to be as loud as I could. And I still want to be musical, so I can still play this sub down to like 28 to 30 hertz, being in a 4th order. It's a big ratio though. All right, so now let's find out what this sucker really does meter. Full tilt, this is gonna be my last initial test burp on this. Check out JacobViral 2 to see all the stuff I've done, and stay tuned for more build updates to come. Exciting to see what results are gonna be here. So I got the vehicle revved. Lean forward, make sure everything's good. Here we go. 40, I'm gonna do 49 hertz because it always goes up one. All right, that's my initial, oh gosh. Holy crap, I hope I don't upset somebody, but that right there is miraculous. A 56.2 on the glass. Oh man. Holy smokes, I actually gained. I gained almost half a dB by just taking my seats out. Holy smokes, oh no. I got it on camera. You guys saw that on camera. It just turned off. My battery's down on my SSA meter. Dang it. But I got that result on camera. I'm so glad I caught that on camera. Holy crap. I can't believe I just broke a 56 on the glass with my single 12. I'm excited to announce this in this video too, because I haven't even done any burp tests in the last couple months, just because I've been more focused on other things and videos and you guys and content, as well as moving. So, but yeah, holy smokes. Dang it, I didn't get a screenshot. I wish I would have got a screenshot of that. That would have been so exciting to screenshot and save, but I'll have to get it off the video since I got it here. Make sure I don't delete this. But exciting to see what I just got out of that, so holy smokes. Since I'm going, let me go ahead and do one more. Make sure everything doesn't cut off. Hopefully it doesn't. I'm gonna do one in the kick. Oh, no, it's dead. I'm not gonna do one in the kick. I'm not gonna risk any more downtime for you guys watching. But anyway, that's my official results. So just so y'all know, a 56.2 on the glass is gonna be right at almost a 57 on the kick score here. And if I would have burped it sealed up without this window down, it would have been a 55.5. So I'm doing 55.5 dB sealed on the glass. I know these numbers because I've done so much testing. I know where my SPL is. I usually lose about half a dB to 3/4 of a dB with it sealed up on the glass. I always gain about 3/4 of a dB on the kick, and then usually depending on how I have myself in the seats. But wow, exciting to see. And stay tuned. It's going to be exciting to show y'all this huge build update that I got. Going from a single sub back to, I don't know what kind of 4th order or what subs is going to be in it. Unsure of that. Turn my vehicle off. Get back over here. Let's talk to y'all one more time before I end. But yep, I don't know what I'm going to be doing yet with this, but going to be tearing this out, doing a build series on that, showing y'all what I did with this, and then also a full build update process and numerous parts showing you how I'm going to build it this time. Last time I built, I didn't have any videos except the end result. This one's going to have at least probably 8 to 10 videos build series on what I do to build this actual enclosure. So just to run down to the guys that are still watching, the ultimate goal here, let me get my piece of wood. Sorry about that. Okay, There we go. My back hatch is so heavy. I've done so much SPL testing, and it's all for fun. I don't take this to shows. I just do it for fun. It's my little get-together demo thing that I have for bass in my truck. It's not my daily driver either, but single phi 12. Wow. Can't believe I'm still amazed to see I did a 56.2 on the glass. Whew. I'm sad, excited I didn't save it though, so I gotta save it when I get off the video. But anyway, back to it before I end. So I'm gonna be using the same amp I already have. I'm not gonna be using this sub. I'm probably gonna be selling this subwoofer. And then once I sell this sub, I'll also have a little bit of extra money I'm gonna put, and I'm gonna figure out what subs I'm gonna actually buy. I don't know cone area or anything. My first initial goal is to get this thing built and have a wall behind it or around it. So in order for me to do that, I'm gonna structure the floor. Of course, first I'm gonna take everything out, and then I'm gonna structure the floor platform, and then you'll see me build around the whole vehicle to get it where it is. And I already got the roof, so I'm already on a head start here. So last build I had carpet in here. I had the roof, had the panels on. I didn't have a wood roof from here back, so gonna be definitely, I'm expecting to have at least 60 cubes net to work with for this. And it's going to be a 4th order. Don't know what cone area is or subs yet, but it's going to be within a budget range. I'm not going to be spending thousands of dollars on more equipment. This is more for me and just my fun little project. Something that I use for entertainment, for videos, as well as just, hey, I need to have some bump. And I need to get back to the wall build that I'm excited to announce in this reveal build announcement for y'all. So, thanks for watching. Exciting to see the number results. Goodbye, single sub, back to the walled 4th order. Stay tuned on JacobViral 2 and main channel for more updates. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.